Stoicism, daily practice to build mental strength. What if I told you the most powerful mental training tool used by Roman emperors fits inside a notebook? No army, no technology, no secret ritual, just paper and brutal honesty. The Stoics didn't journal to feel inspired. They journaled to sharpen their minds. If you want discipline, clarity, emotional control, and leadership strength, Stoic journaling is one of the most practical tools you can start today. Let's break down how it builds mental resilience and how you can use it immediately. The first lesson is self-awareness creates authority. You cannot lead others if you cannot examine yourself. The Stoics believe that the unexamined reaction is the root of weakness. Every night they reviewed their actions, their emotions, their decisions. A Roman leader might ask himself, where did I lose control today? Where did ego interfere? Where did I act with courage? This habit turns mistakes into instruction instead of shame. If you want to apply this today, take 5 minutes before bed and write 3 short answers. What did I do well? Where did I fall short? What will I improve tomorrow? Clarity builds power. The second lesson is that writing slows emotion. Chaos lives in your head as noise. When thoughts remain unspoken, they feel overwhelming. But when you write them down, they become structured. Anger on paper loses intensity. Fear written down becomes measurable. A Stoic facing political pressure in ancient Rome would not suppress emotion. He would analyze it. If you feel stressed today, write the situation down in 1 sentence. Then write, is this within my control? You will immediately feel the difference between reacting and responding. Writing separates you from your impulses. That separation is strength. The third lesson is that discipline is built through repetition. Mental strength is not built in crisis. It is built in daily training. Stoic journaling is not about inspiration. It is about consistency. Even when nothing dramatic happens, the Stoic still reflects, still writes, still evaluates. A leader who journals daily develops pattern recognition. He sees recurring weaknesses. He identifies recurring distractions. You can start with 1 page per day, no more. 1 page forces focus. It forces precision. Over time, you build mental endurance the same way a soldier builds physical endurance, through repetition. The fourth lesson is perspective reduces suffering. The Stoics practiced reframing events before sleep. They would ask, will this matter in a year? Will this matter at the end of my life? Suddenly, today's insult feels smaller. Today's inconvenience loses its power. Imagine ending your day by shrinking your problems instead of magnifying them. Tonight, take 1 frustration and zoom out. Write how insignificant it will seem in 5 years. Perspective is emotional armor. The fifth lesson is that journaling strengthens decision-making. Strong decisions require internal clarity. When you consistently write your values, your goals, your standards, you create a mental framework. So when pressure hits, you do not hesitate. A Stoic leader didn't decide his principles in the middle of crisis. He defined them beforehand through reflection. Write this down today. What kind of person do I refuse to become? What standards do I refuse to lower? When your standards are written, your behavior follows. Now let's connect this to real leadership. Most people drift through life reacting. Stoics audit themselves daily. Most people avoid discomfort. Stoics confront their weaknesses privately so they don't collapse publicly. Most people blame circumstances. Stoics refine character. Journaling is not soft. It is strategic. It builds emotional regulation, clarity under pressure, self-command, long-term focus. You are training your internal commander. Here is a simple Stoic journaling structure you can begin tonight. Morning. What challenges might I face today? How will I respond with discipline? Evening. Where did I act with virtue? Where did I let emotion control me? How will I improve tomorrow? Keep it short. Keep it honest. Keep it consistent. No performance, no perfection, just progress. Over time, something shifts. You pause before reacting. You recognize emotional triggers faster. You feel less shaken by external events because you have trained your mind to observe itself. And the person who can observe their own thoughts is difficult to defeat. Stoic journaling transforms chaos into data, mistakes into instruction, emotion into analysis. It is quiet power. If you want mental strength, don't wait for adversity to teach you. Train daily, write daily, reflect daily. Start tonight, 5 minutes, 1 page. And if you found this valuable, subscribe for more Stoic strategies designed to build resilience, discipline, and leadership in a distracted world. History is not nostalgia.